Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This research examines social media induced anxiety characterized by feelings of restlessness and worry and difficulty sleeping and concentrating. A study published in the journal Computers and Human Behavior found that people who use 7 or more types of social media have 3 or more times more anxiety symptoms than those who use only 0 to social media. As the first speaker of the negative team today, I will introduce our team's argument and assure you that social media does bring a lot of disadvantage. I will explain how social media is bad for teenagers and children. The second speaker will continue our argument by discussing the lack of awareness of the use of social media. And our third speaker summarize our debate summarizing the opposition. Today's topic means that social media has a big impact on negative impact and harm the good. A topic that we disagree with today, our team will argue that social media is inappropriate for teenagers and children. The use of social media can have a negative impact on society, as we can see today that social media is used as a medium to instill hatred towards others by uploading unethical words or pictures so that distrust is built. Likes and hate someone, especially those who have important positions in both government and state institutions. Social media, also known as social networks, has captured the attention of the Indonesian people, especially teenagers. Social media is considered to be a place for media to express the circumstances that occur. The government itself that regulates social media, used in Article 27, paragraph 3 of the ITE law, the Law on Information, which regulates information and electronic transaction and regulates prohibited acts. However, the behavior of teenagers is still often against the law, as evidenced by the fact that social media is used by teenagers to spread slander, defame people, and bully others. In addition to increasing the risk of cyberbullying, the use of social media also has an impact on children's psychological health. Psychological impact that can appear on children and adolescents due to excessive use of social media include anxiety disorders and depression. The 10 negative impact of social media include the following: the rise of crime on social media, the rise of false hoax information, lowers productivity, makes a person individualistic, decreasing sleep quality, creates depression and anxiety, addicted to forgetting time. Thank you.